Hello everyone, my name is Geeta and I am from Koppal, Karnataka. I have completed my graduation in chemical engineering in the academic year of 2024. So after completion of my graduation, I didn't find any job for a very long time. So at that instance, one of my friends suggested me about the eVision. So I have joined eVision in a 15 days LMS program. In that we were trained about Windows administration, Office 365, virtualization, VPN, and so on topics. And in this we were having a recorded session. Even though it is a recorded session, if we had any doubts, they would clear us by arranging doubt session 2. And after completion of this course, as Vision promised us, they gave us a many interview calls. They provide us many interview calls. In that have attended 10 to 10 interview calls. So I have been selected for a TCS, and with a 3 LPA package. So I extremely thank for all the eVision team members for supporting and guiding us through all this journey. Thank you.